Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, I'll select a photo and delete it to show you the recovery process. Tap on any photo, then tap the trash icon at the bottom right corner. Tap Delete Photo to confirm. Now, let's recover it. Scroll all the way down until you find the recently deleted album. Tap on it to open. You'll see a View Album button. Tap on View Album to access your deleted photos. Here you'll see all the photos and videos you've deleted within the last 30 days. You can see the photo we just deleted is here. Tap on the photo you want to recover to open it. At the bottom right corner, you'll see the Recover Photo option. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear. Tap Recover Photo to confirm, and that's it. Your deleted photo has been successfully restored to your main photo library. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.